Hey everyone, a lot of the ability to compete is to be able to make corrections to your page titles, your meta descriptions, make some corrections to the pages. And a lot of people just don't do it. It's kind of exhausting, especially if you realize you need to make a bunch of changes, then you just don't do it. Let me show you how much we've automated that kind of thing. So this is going straight into the admin panel. I'm going to show you through our remote control system first. But these are going to be automatically added into all the templates soon, whether you own them already or you go to buy them soon. Let's take a look at this case. I'm staring at this website. Let's say we just put this up and we submitted the sitemap and Google's starting to show the pages. And so we go and we take a look. Okay, there's the browser title. That makes sense. Discover a wide range of high quality, that makes sense. And then the next thing, that makes sense. The next thing, that makes sense. Okay, that's all good. These are all pages on the website. But then it occurs to me, I made just a common sense mistake. I should have put a pipe here in the name of the company, XFOG. Or I should have put a pipe here and like call us now, and a phone number. Okay, and then you think, oh no, did I miss that on all the pages? I did. So then you think, okay, I'm going to go into the dashboard, going to go to the pages, and now I need to change them all. And you think, oh no, how many pages have I got to do? 69. Well, this is what most people actually have to do. They have to go to the first page, say, and then they have to go into the browser title, wherever it is in your thing, and for us it's right here, and you decide to say, XFOG. Okay? Or you say something like, call us now, and then you put the phone number, 866, whatever it is. Okay? Or if you have a token, you'll say something like, call us now, and then you'll put a token, okay? And then you say, and then you probably want to copy it because you're going to need it for all the next web pages you go to. So you would update this one, and then what are you going to do? You're going to go to the next page and do the exact same thing. Do you see why people never do this? Or they have to hire other people to do it, but then they have to pay money because it's somebody else's time, right? How does that work in our system? Well, I'm just going to show you. So this is a remote control function. I'm going to show you right now on this. It's called Fix Menu. I'll just show you what we're going to fix. We're going to get the pages. I'm just going to do like this. And here we go. And so I'm going to save that file. And then I'm going to show you how this is done our way. I'm going to open it up. And guess what? Enable the editing. Okay. Here's the browser title. And as you can see, this is the change I just made on the main page. This whole bit with call us now and the phone token, right? I've got all of it. I've got each of the pages is right here. I could change the URLs if I want. If I thought that any of them are off, I could change them. All the pages are here. These are the menu names. If some of them are a little too long, I can definitely shorten it down. Anything I want to do, I can do right here all at once across all the pages. So I'm going to do a little trick. This is stuff that, you would know if you play around enough with Excel. But watch this. So I'm going to pretend I don't have this yet. Control X. Okay. I'm going to insert a column just temporarily. Okay. I'm going to put in what it is I wanted. And then I'm going to drag it down. Okay. And by the way, say I want to go back and forth because I want to test, right? Which is better? Call us now or XFOG? Or what? I might have a number of tests to do. So I'm going to drag that combination down. There you go. Every other page. See, I have choices. I could even do something like XFOG by battle components. Okay. I can do pretty much anything I want. So having done that, I'm going to do one last thing. Insert one more column. And this one, I'm going to make this equal. I know I'm getting a little technical, but some of you guys actually understand this right away. So I'm putting them together. I'm going to drag it down, and it's going to follow the format. I mean, this stuff is actually easy. Ask me. I can create a video on this. Now I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to paste that as values over here. WAP. Ooh, I just updated those 2 columns so I can get rid of these temporary columns. Okay, check that out. I just made these totally different changes I wanted to make to all the pages all at once. You know what else I can do? I can decide which pages are supposed to show up in the menu. What's that mean? These are the pages in the menu. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pages in the menu. The rest of the pages are in the sitemap, okay? And that's where all the pages are on the website. They're in the sitemap, okay? So I can decide if I want to change any of these pages orders. So right now, I've got those top pages showing in the menu, which is the default setting of 0. All the rest just go in the sitemap. They don't show up in the top menu. Or what's going to be the problem? You're going to have like all of these links in the top menu. They're going to be not just a few, they're going to word wrap unless you drop them down one underneath the other, which we can do also. But let me just show you this. I can say, I don't want this page showing up in the menu anymore. I want to trade it for one of the other pages. So I want to take this one, take it out of the menu, and in exchange, I want to take this other one down here, say, and I want to put it in the menu. Okay, I just do it like that. Now the sort order for pages can even change that. This was a 3, and then this is a 15. I couldn't make this the 3 and this the 15, because then this way, this shows up where the other 3 used to be, okay? Where this used to be. So I just changed the sort order of the pages to exactly what I want. All right, if that makes sense to you, I can save this, close it, and I can go ahead and upload it through the tool. And here we go. Okay, those are done, so let's take a look at them now. Let's go back through and refresh and see what the page title says. All right, do you see how it's starting that call us? I can do the view page source, Control F, check for the title. Sure enough, it's right there. It got added in, okay, with the token. And let's go further into the website, right? Let's take a look at the sitemap. Just pull up any page randomly, like near the bottom, say. Let's do this one and see. Sure enough, there it is. It's got its piece. And with that in mind, let's check the one above it, say, because we were cycling. See? Xfog, there it is, right? So it did it. It did it with all of them, and it traded out that number 3 page, How to Anti-Fog Goggles, okay? And so it traded it out with the web page that used to be in the 15th place in the sitemap, right? So the web page that used to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, whichever one of these was number 15, and now it's traded out with the 3rd web page. So I think you get the idea. We have all of this complete and utter control, and imagine how long it would take to do it yourself manually, and imagine how exhausting it would be, how mind-numbing that kind of work. And that's when you realize that is what your competitors are doing or not doing because they can't stand it. So your ability to compete with everyone else by having this control, this level of control, is extraordinary. And by the way, you just updated all those web pages, so when Google comes back and the bots find the changed pages, that makes the pages fresh. Google loves fresh pages. So to get websites like these, head on over to website-installer.com. Choose your weapons from the templates that exist, and you're able to build your websites. You're able to install them in minutes and build your websites in minutes and literally be done and ready to roll. And now you have these extreme automation tools for manual control so you can tweak your performance to maximize your ROI. All right.